Thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate each and every... Appreciate? Hi everyone, I'm YGO Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. In case you're new, YGO stands for When You Get Old. I'm 53 years old. I enjoy skincare, makeup, and doing unboxing videos. Today I'm super excited. I have a brand new subscription in my arsenal of beauty boxes. This is called Glossybox. This is a $21 a month subscription, and I've been watching unboxing videos for the last year and was always curious. So I finally pulled the trigger and am excited to see what Glossybox has to offer. Alright, so first things, it's a small thing, but I do enjoy it. I do not need a knife to open the box because it comes with a nice little perforation, so that comes in handy. Oh, interesting. There's another box inside the box. We get a HelloFresh $80 gift card and a $100 wine voucher. Okay. Now, inside the shipping box is the lovely pink box, which they're known for. This is a very sturdy box. It will be nice to keep to store other items in. Alright, I'm super excited, so let's lift the lid and see what we got. How pretty! It's got a lovely pink, it's not even tissue paper, it's thicker than tissue paper, and a nice black bow with a sticker. Okay, here's the inside of the box. I hope it comes with a card for pricing and descriptions, but we shall see. Alright, I'm going to dig in and pull out the first item. So I see a brand name I know and like. It's from Avant. Avant is a very, very pricey skincare line. And these are collagen, aloe vera, hyaluronic, lavender oil, glycerin, vitamin C, allantoin, eye patches. That was a lot to read. So this looks to be a sample size because you're only getting one pair, but as you may or may not know, I have very dark circles, fine lines, so I love a good under eye mask. Next item I see, I'm not quite there yet, but I'm getting soon. It's a hair scrunchie. Interesting. It's black, which is my favorite color. It seems to be kind of felt, not felt, what do you call that? Velour-ish. Fortunately, my hair's too long to look good, but not quite long enough to pull into a ponytail yet. Thank you, COVID. We're getting there. And this is by Purelei. Let's see, for 30% off your first. Okay, there's a. If anyone's interested in Glossybox, I get no credit, but there is a discount code to get 30% off. So there you go. I don't know how I feel about that. If I had long hair, that would be great. So, item number 2. Alright, next item. Ooh, what is this? This is Strawberry Booster. 100% cold pressed strawberry seed oil. Okay, so I love serums, oils, anything for the face. You know, there's argan oil, there is maruca oil. I've never heard of strawberry oil. How does strawberry give oil? It's a little fruit. That's sweet. Okay, so I'm super curious. This is by the brand BYBI. 100% cold pressed strawberry seed oil. High content of omega fatty acid, which make this a powerful skin softener to regenerate and improve the skin's moisture level. Okay, I have dry skin. Let's see what this looks like. Of all the videos I've seen on skincare, oh, that's pretty. Pink. I've never heard anyone mention or seen a product that is strawberry seed oil. Okay, it's definitely an oil. It's not pink. For some reason I thought it'd be pink. See how well it goes into the skin. Does not smell like strawberries like I also thought it would. It's a little greasy, tacky, not greasy, but like a typical oil for your face. Has a slight smell, but not a strawberry, just like of an oil. And it absorbed nicely into the skin. It's no longer shiny or greasy looking. Okay, I'm excited. Next item. It's really tiny. What is this? Tree Hut. Ooh, I like Tree Hut. It's a Sugarlips, so I'm going to assume this is a lip scrub. Card. Maybe at the end there's a card. Oh, okay. So it is sealed. I'm not going to open it because I have a couple other lip scrubs going. But a lip scrub is always nice. Alright. Next item. It's the largest thing in the box. What is this? Kandi Cosmetics Pre-Glow Up Mist. Get your skin glow ready. Ooh, what does that mean? Is it a spray for after you apply makeup? Is it a pre-makeup? Seriously? Is there tape? Oh, okay. User error. This whole box has plasticky stuff on it. I'm like, why can't I open the little box? I gotta take this stuff off. Now I should be able to open the box. Okay. There we go. Oh! That looks very, very, very similar to a product I got, I believe, in BoxyCharm by Iconic London. Let me grab that. Here's the Iconic London, and this is Kandi Cosmetics. Shake them both up. Very similar products. Let's see how the spritzer goes. Ew. I don't know if you can see that. Right there's a big old blob. And the Iconic London is the same. It's like it's got a fine mist, but with chunky blobby stuff. But that's a nice scent. I'm not a big user of these types of products, but I don't hate it. Maybe in the summer more. And by the way, this does say you can use it before applying makeup, after makeup, or on its own for a natural glow. Alright. Next product. Ooh, Mudmasky. This is a new brand to me that was in my last, was it Ipsy? Test tube? I want to say Ipsy. I'll put it on the screen. What is this? This is a Sleep Repair Renewal Nourishing Mask. Okay, I'm more excited because the last Mudmasky product I got, I was super excited at first because it said it was a serum, but it was very specific serum meant only to be applied after applying a mud or clay mask, and I don't use mud or clay masks. This does seem like a sample size, and I wasn't aware Glossybox. You know, this is sample, this is sample. This, I don't know if it's sample. It seems very small. This seems very small. This, obviously, full size. I will do some more research because I don't remember. I actually ordered this box like over a month ago, and honestly, I even forgot I had ordered it until it finally arrived. Anything left? Nope. That is the last product. So, let's do a recap. We got an expensive brand, Avant, sample of under eye patches, which have some very good ingredients. We got a Mudmasky Sleeping Repair Renewal Nourishing Mask. Again, looks like sample or travel size. We got a very interesting strawberry booster, strawberry seed oil. Never seen a product like this before. We got a Tree Hut sugar-based lip scrub. We got a hair scrunchie and a glow mist. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. Give me your thoughts. Do you subscribe to Glossybox? Have you been thinking about it and just watching some unboxing to see if it's worth it? For $21, I think it was a decent amount of products. I always compare to BoxyCharm and Ipsy, which is around the same price point, $4, $5 more. The jury's out. This is my first box, so we shall see future boxes how I feel about this subscription. Now, I find the packaging adorable. This is a very nice, sturdy cardboard box. It'd be great for gifting or using, you know, it's lovely to put on the shelf, store items, photos, makeup, brush, you know, whatever, if you like to organize. That I really enjoy. So, there we go. Okay, so I was doing some research on the Glossybox, and I actually went back and searched my email. Here's the deal. I placed my order on May the 1st. This is technically my May box, but the May box sold out, so what they did was they sent me a mystery box. So this is a mystery box. I also see another notice from FedEx that I have an order arriving next Tuesday or Wednesday, which should be the June box. So, my comments about this box not being kind of meh, it's a mystery box. So the jury's out on what an actual box looks like. There was no card, which I presume since it was a mystery box, that's the reason why, and possibly why there were so many sample and trial sizes. Stay tuned. Next week I will do another unboxing of what I hope and pray is an actual Glossybox and not a mystery box. Alright, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. I really appreciate each and every one of you who takes the time out of your busy schedule to watch one of my videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. Thanks everyone!